greatest inventions to a panel of judges. This year's competition is Masters of Flight, where master builders are challenged to leave the safety of the ground for the joy of the skies. The creator of the most inventive and effective invention will be declared the Master Builder. It's gonna be awesome. Before we begin, I'd like to ask you all to notice the number you're standing on and make a mental note of it, because I won't remember. There you go. Yeah, that's it. Just finding our numbers. Okay, have you got it? Good. Okay, now the reason you will need this number is that you will use the same number when you get the chance to board one of the Master Builder's inventions. It's crazy, right? You're gonna get to fly around Cloud Cuckoo Land. This is only possible because one Master Builder just so happened to design something large enough to fit all of you. Okay, spoiler alert, it was me! The best part is, it's right behind me. Under this curtain is something that's so amazing can only be described as awesome. Actually, it's better than that. It's awesome-er, which is slightly more awesome than awesome. Without further ado, I present to you the triple-decker flying couch. Now, I will acknowledge it bears some striking similarities to the double-decker couch, but this one is totally different. As you can see, it has 3 levels, which is one more than 2. Also, it flies, so that's super useful. Let's say you're hanging out with some friends and you want to change locations, but then nobody feels like moving their butt off the couch. Boom! This can do that. As your pilot today, I am responsible for showing you how to ride this. That seemed like a lot of work, so I produced a video instead to inform you of important safety announcements. Okay, roll the video.
Tonight on Where Are My Pants?
Honey, where are my pants?
Oh, it's one of my favorite episodes. Man, never gets old. It is, however, not super relevant. Ah, here we go.
For the enjoy.
That was totally awesome! I love instructions. And following them will help keep you safe, just like washing your hands and not eating gum off the ground. Not that I did that, but you shouldn't do that. Oh, one last thing. You may have seen signs about a possible Duplo invasion. Do not worry about that. They will not show up today unless they do, which can happen. But it won't, I think. Also, if for any reason anyone would like to back out of today's flying experience, you may do so now by exiting through the departure doors. For those of you who choose to stay, I can't wait to see you on board. It's gonna be awesome.
Alrighty, everybody. As a reminder, all heads do need to come up.
Couch for the first time to an assembly of master builders. They may be unable to control their excitement. Fellow master builders, I present to you my latest invention, the triple-decker flying couch.
Is everyone ready? Let the competition begin!
Hey! Let's go!
I should point out this is my first time flying. Also, this will be the first time this vehicle has been tested in flight, so there may be some charges. Sorry! Oh, you ever tried moving a couch? Try flying one. Okay. Sorry about that. Let's try this.
Fine, Emmet. Follow me.
Hey!
No problem.
And fall.
Hey, Emmet. You're doing great.
Cool! Thank you, but it's not as cool as my spaceship! Go fall! Rookie, the Templar hat! Okay, we're all fine.
I just finished rebuilding this place.
We're eating on hot cookie land! Marvelous ahead!
Emmet, get these people out of here.
You know I should have had laser cannons instead of more cup holders! Sweet, we made it.
Under attack. Oh, what is that? You want to play? Let's play. You must get the guests to safety. Head for that cave.
Okay.
That one.
Oh, hang on, everyone! Finally, a serene, peaceful setting. Pirates! Oh, hey, Metalbeard! I know
have smooth sailing ahead, matey. Scan. Asteroid! We made it! Wow! That is the coolest thing I've ever seen! Oh no! Don't worry! I got this! It got us in the treachery!
Here, take my hyperdrive.
I think they're trying to help. Let's make it awesomer! Hey, we made it! That was awesome! We have voted, and the winning invention is the triple-decker couch! Oh, really? Everything's awesome! Everything is free! Also interrupt the singing of that song since we just managed to get it out of our heads! Oh!
Congratulations, Emmet. You did it.
We did it. Thanks for everything, Master Builders. And remember, your world is what you make it. Build something incredible.